this is the Renegade Marketer. This is day 2 of 20K in 20 days. So if you're looking to make money online with Digital Growth Community, you can join me. As you can see, this is the amount of money you can earn and more daily. So that's about it. If just post videos on YouTube so you can earn money with Digital Growth Community. Make videos, post on TikTok. A lot of the young people on TikTok. Generation Z, I think. So if you're looking to make money online, join Digital Growth Community or join under me. I'll help you make money online. I'll be there to support you. Bye.